The hype surrounding Apple's new Vision Pro is undeniable, and for good reason. But being priced at a whopping $3,500 and being Apple's first foray into spatial computing, the stakes are high for this device. Many lucky individuals have already had the chance to experience this potentially game-changing piece of tech firsthand. Now, let's break down all the potential drawbacks and misconceptions surrounding the Vision Pro. Buckle up, folks, because here's the lowdown. If none of these points faze you, feel free to go ahead and snag this device. Just keep our warnings in mind before taking the plunge. An important aspect to consider is the reality of eye strain, which is a serious concern. The average adult spends nearly 7 hours a day glued to their phone screens. Now, with the Apple Vision being a wearable device that seamlessly transitions between virtual and reality, users may find themselves reluctant to put this screen down. This could lead to an increase in screen time, amplifying blue light exposure to unprecedented levels. If you're thinking of relying on blue light or prescription glasses to mitigate this, think again. Wearing glasses with the Vision Pro can be quite uncomfortable. Trying to fit them between the cushioning of the device and adjusting the head strap, which runs along the sides and above your ears, is a hassle. The front-heavy design exacerbates this discomfort. Moreover, pushing your glasses against the lenses of the Vision Pro risks scratching them, potentially compromising both the display quality and eye-tracking functionality. A safer alternative is investing in Zeiss prescription lenses. While they come at a cost of $150, they're a worthwhile investment to protect your $3,500 gadget from damage and ensure a more comfortable user experience. The second reason is a bit of a headache, especially for those prone to forgetting their passwords. Currently, if you find yourself locked out of your Vision Pro, your options are limited. You'll need to either make a trip to an Apple store or go through the hassle of mailing it to Apple Care customer support for a complete data wipe and reset. The issue stems from the Vision Pro lacking physical connectors to pair with an external device for troubleshooting. Unless you're lucky enough to have the developer-exclusive headband equipped with a cable for Mac, which comes at a hefty price tag of $300, you're out of luck. Another issue you might encounter while on the move with this gadget is that Apple made the curious decision not to include a built-in battery. This means users have to lug around a cable attached to a battery pack if they want to use it on the go. What's more, the external battery doesn't seem to hold up very well, with reviewers reporting only about 2 to 3 hours of usage. That's less than what you'd expect from a Nintendo Switch. The Apple Vision Pro comes in at a weight of between 600 and 650 grams, which is almost on par with the weight of a 12.9-inch iPad Pro of 682 grams. Despite the inclusion of a dual-loop strap to help distribute the weight, most of it still rests on the front. Reviewers have noted that even after short periods of use, they experience fatigue due to the weight distribution, which could be a concern for potential users, especially if they plan on using it for extended periods. The Apple Vision Pro may impress in many ways, but it falls short in some crucial areas. One notable downside is the absence of Apple's core apps, along with the lack of support for popular platforms like YouTube, Netflix, and Spotify. Apple's reliance on compatible iOS and iPadOS software means that many developers have opted not to create native visionOS apps, leaving users with limited options. Additionally, the dearth of gaming experiences is a major drawback for those looking to immerse themselves in virtual worlds. Furthermore, the hefty price tag is a significant barrier for many potential buyers. Starting at a whopping $3,499, this spatial computer is undeniably top tier in the mixed reality headset market. However, all reviewers have voiced concerns about its steep price. Apple should seriously consider making future generations more affordable to broaden its appeal to a wider audience. And that's a wrap on today's video. While we've covered the most crucial negatives of the Apple Vision Pro, there may be more that we haven't touched upon. If you think there's anything we missed, be sure to let others know by leaving a comment below. We appreciate you tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.